Hey folks, a little while ago, the topic came up on how to secure an old British sports car with side curtains when you're on the road. Um, so I had a little epiphany and came up with this solution. This is a display case lock that you can get on Amazon. I think $8 for a pair of them. Very inexpensive. I actually cut it down shorter, and I might even cut a little bit more off. And I 3D printed a small rubber block in here to clamp the plexiglass without scratching it. So I'll post a link to the items below in the description. Now this isn't super secure, but it keeps the casual intruder from you know getting into the vehicle. Let's say if you're at I don't know, maybe you stop at a park on a road trip and you just want to lock up the car a little bit. It's not going to stop someone from cutting the top or anything like that, but it will just prevent the casual intruder from sliding the window open and digging around in your stuff. Um, so yeah, there you have it, and it works very nicely. You just pop that off. The side screen is still usable, and it doesn't even scratch on the inside on the other window. Um, you can actually leave the lock on your keychain while you're driving, and when you get to your destination, just pop these on, and there you go. So anyway, I thought I'd post that video. This will work for any of the old side screen British vehicles, and it's very easy to do. So there you have it. Take care.